We are here on a November 2nd Saturday to help out the Early Childhood Education Lab School. Clean up, garden, and all sorts of things. Okay, they're signing their consent form here.
It's going to tear the back.
And how about you? What are you doing?
I'm
Sweeping.
I'm sweeping?
Yeah. So say, what are you doing? I'm raking. I'm raking the leaves.
I'm raking the leaves. I'm sweeping
The ground.
the ground.
Yeah.
The leaves.
Đây là nhà sạch. That's mopping with the water, but here, with the leaves. Did you hear? R-A-K-E. Reiki.
So what are you doing? Cleaning the blocks? Hi, cleaning the blocks, huh?
Yeah.
So we're replanting the plants, right? To have more fertilizer? Yeah, so it'll grow more?
Maybe dirt more because if replace,
The old one.
I want.
Alright, good morning everybody. We've got a big crew here from different levels of ESL. I have my ESL level 1 class, and we have different levels of students coming here, even up to 102. And we came here at the Childhood Lab School, just in Board Street next to the soccer stadium. And we're here to clean up and make this place very tidy for the little kids, so they can have a nice school that's clean and tidy for them to start learning in the morning. So we're gathered here on a Saturday morning on November the 2nd, and we're having a good time. We're talking and they're using their English as they're cleaning, and that is good. It's like a community effort, and at the same time speaking and learning English at the same time.
It's hard worker in class and also hard worker in real life too.
What are you doing?
I'm sweeping and cleaning.
You're sweeping and
Very well.
cleaning
Yeah,
the garden.
I'm cleaning.
Alright, this is a cotton tree right here. Look at that. That's cotton. Algodón in Spanish. So what are you doing?
Sweeping.
Sweeping the patio? Hi, what are you doing?
I'm cleaning the plant.
You're cleaning the plants. All right. Planting?
Planting a vegetable.
Vegetables. Oh yeah, I see it.
Vegetable?
Yeah,
Yes.
basil and
Basil,
onions.
onions, and what
Yeah, it looks like basil to me.
Yeah.
Hey, Mr. Juana, what are you doing?
I'm rag the garden.
Raking.
I'm raking the garden.
What are you doing?
I cleaning the heat for
Clean
fresco.
the shelf. Okay. And they're cleaning here. What level are these girls here?
Ah, yes, 102.
102. Very good. Very high. Very nice, Mr. Carranza.
I am brush the ground.
All right. No, you're raking.
Right.
Raking, yeah.
This the brush, no brush?
No, no brush. Vas a cepillar. But es lo que está haciendo, brushing the grass.
Brushing the ground.
Yeah, it's the same thing, combing the grass. Peinando, combing the grass. Looks very clean here now. Wow, looks very clean now after 2 hours work. Alright, Mr. Juanas. Frutas. Vitamina C. Potasio.
What are you
9, 31, 33,
We're
35.
counting how many people came.
35 and probably, I don't know, a couple people left.
Yeah, a few people. I would say 40. at
About
least.
40, yeah. Wow.
Thank you, everyone.
So we
Our
have about
children are
40
gonna
came.
be- and teachers are going to be so happy. Thank you. It's beautiful. I love it.